Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video I'll be showing you a very simple, interesting and natural remedy that will help burn your belly fat from the outside, as in the outer layer of your belly. This remedy is going to get rid of any flappy tummy, is going to shrink your tummy and tighten your skin in a manner you wouldn't believe. If this is your first time stopping by, click on the subscribe button below, turn on the notification bell if you haven't already, and if you find this video interesting and useful, share with your friends and loved ones. If you like it, give us a huge thumbs up. Onion is rich in anti-inflammatory properties, is rich in antiseptic and antibacterial properties, which is going to help prevent any kind of skin irritation. The juice from this onion is going to create a protective layer around your skin, which is going to help protect your skin tissues. It's going to help get rid of any dead skin cells from your skin. It's going to leave you with a soft and supple skin. Onions is rich in vitamin A, vitamin K and vitamin C, which is going to help fight any kind of breakout and is going to help get rid of the stretch marks on your tummy. Colgate toothpaste is rich in cooling properties and is rich in antibacterial properties, and is also very rich in minty properties, which is going to help burn the excess fat on your belly by creating heat. So let's get started with the preparation of this remedy. The first thing we'll be doing right now is to wash our onions. This quantity is just okay for this remedy, so we'll just wash it. Grate the onions, but if you have a blender, you can just toss this into your blender and just blend it out. So we'll just go ahead and grate. Make sure to get rid of all the lumps. So guys, our onions is ready. So right now the next thing we're doing is we'll squeeze in about half a tablespoon of the toothpaste. Then we'll add it to our onion. Just mix this all up. So our belly fat burning remedy is ready. So you just go ahead and apply this on your tummy. You massage this in every area of your tummy. Massage for 5 minutes in a circular motion, just like that. Then you allow this to sit on you for 20 minutes before you wash it off. Go ahead and wash it off after 20 minutes. You repeat this twice a week for 2 to 3 weeks. You will notice a great difference in the size of your tummy. You notice the flappiness of your tummy has reduced greatly. For best results, you can continue this for about a month. You will notice how soft, tender, and reduced your tummy size will be. So guys, this is it. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Please try this at home and drop your comments in the comment section below, and click on the subscribe button below if you haven't already. Turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified when we upload new and interesting videos just as this one on this channel. If you like it, please give us a huge thumbs up, and don't forget to share with your friends and loved ones. Till my next video, I'll see you all very soon.